What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Mana. Mana is one of the biggest cryptos, and I think it has some potential if the whole gameplay, or don't even know if you can call it gameplay, if the whole play to the game gets a little better. It's obviously the biggest metaverse as of right now. Decentralized metaverse, at least. I mean, you can play around with the definition of a metaverse a lot. So so let's do a quick price prediction on it. As you can see, we're actually quite bullish. I mean, this trend line doesn't hold that well, or it kind of does actually, but I think trend lines that steep, they don't usually hold, and if they do, it's a very big bull run. I don't think we are going to see a bull run out of Mana, but I do think we are going up. So this was my last price prediction and price analysis. It went quite well. It kind of consolidated here, but that's also something I say within my analysis, that sometimes it can take a couple of more touches. So let's delete that. From where we are right now, found resistance at around 4.0. or at least the bigger area around 4.0. As you can see, we have 2 fibs there as well. In my opinion, we either go over that right now. As you could have seen, this is the third touch of a trend line that's been drawn between these 2 lows. So that could hold, that could get us above. Probably next resistance would be 4.2. But I actually think we can get even higher. We might need a break retest off of that 4.0, 3.95 area, but I do think we can get to somewhere like 4.37. If this resistance area holds, we will probably drop down a little bit to somewhere like 3.64 in the most bullish case scenario, but we could also drop down to 3.58. Kind of consolidate with that, but I do think that when it touches the trend line on the 200 EMA, that is enough of a catalyst to actually make it do the same as this. So this would be a better image of what would happen, in my opinion. So that's basically the 2 scenarios I think is most likely. If I were, I mean, it really depends on the price area where it is right now, to be honest. If I would have to say which one I think is most likely, I'd say it's this one. I mean, we might kind of consolidate a little bit longer. And of course, it also depends on the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up to 53,000, then yeah, obviously we will probably not even find resistance at 4.2. But if it stays stable, I think this is the most likely scenario. If Bitcoin drops down to 46,000, then forget about this technical analysis, because it will probably drop all the way to 3.15 again. I'm serious. I really think that could happen when it drops. So this is all kind of based upon the assumption that Bitcoin stays at least stable. So stable is between 49,000 and where it is right now, or between 49 and 53. If we break 53 on the daily on Bitcoin, I think we're just going up, and we could even see Mana reach 5.0 again. So I know a lot of things to keep track of and a lot of conditions to memorize, but still, if you don't look at them, these 2 scenarios are the most likely, depending on what happens right now. So that's basically my full price analysis on Mana or Decentraland. If you have any questions about this analysis, as always, please let me know down in the comments. Also, as always, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion based on technical analysis. And having said that, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.